Today we are talking about one of the India's most loved breakfast dishes, poha. Firstly, we heat oil on a pan. Poha is tasty, it's quick, it's light, but what makes it truly amazing is its health benefits. Once the pan is heated with oil in it, we put mustard seeds. Poha is incredibly light on stomach. Since it's made of flattened rice, it digests easily and does not make you feel heavy or sleepy after eating. Next we are adding is cut slit green chillies. Poha is perfect for those busy mornings when you need energy but don't want a bloated feeling. Next up we add curry leaves for the tadka. It is light and easy to digest. It is great for weight management. If you are watching your weight, poha is a great choice. It is naturally low in calories, especially when cooked with minimal oil. Take few finely chopped onions. Sauté the chopped onions on a pan with a pinch of salt. Later you can add salt as per your taste. The fiber present in the poha keeps you full for longer time and reduces cravings and prevent overeating. It's known majorly for its stable energy release content. Poha gives you slow and steady energy throughout the morning. Next up we add turmeric for a pinch of color and of course for its properties. Next up we add is poha. For 2 people we are adding 2 cups of poha here. You can change the measurement as per your requirement. Mix the poha well. Poha is also a good source of healthy carbs that provides fuel to your brain and body. Great for students, working professionals and anyone starting a busy day. Not many people know this, but poha is very rich in iron. This makes it specially helpful for women, growing kids, and anyone who deals with tiredness or low energy. Here is a pro tip: adding lemon on top increases iron absorption even more better. One of the poha's biggest strength is how easy you can customize it. Add peanuts for healthy fats, veggie for vitamins, and sprouts for proteins. Meanwhile, to soften the poha, you have to sprinkle a little bit of water onto it just to make it soft and edible. Close the lid and let it cook for some time. With just a few additions, it becomes a perfectly balanced meal with carbs, protein, fiber, and micronutrients. Once it is done, stir it well. You can add grated coconut and chopped coriander for garnishing and for additional taste and flavor. Let's be honest, mornings are hectic and poha cooks just under 10 minutes, needs very simple ingredients and is budget friendly. Healthy eating does not have to be that expensive or complicated, and poha proves that every single time. So the next time you need a breakfast that is light, nutritious, energizing and super quick, remember poha. It's simple, wholesome and truly one of the best breakfast India has to offer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy, healthy content. Follow Rahat Dairies. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.